Hey Spencer, what do you want to make today?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. I know you do, but what are we going to make?
Pumpkin pie.
No, pumpkin.
Ice cream.
No, pumpkin bars.
Pumpkin pies.
Yep. So what's in the bowl already?
Pumpkins.
Can you show me the pumpkin? Here, turn it a little more so I can see. Oh, see, there's pumpkin in there. That's 2 cups of pumpkin, or about a 15-ounce can if you just get it at the store. But this is the pumpkin we made last night, isn't it? Yay! So what do we need to put in first?
Egg.
Eggs, that's right. Boop, bloop, bloop, bloop. Good job. And what's next?
Stir it.
Yeah, you're stirring it. Yeah. Guess what? Our memory card filled up. And so I don't know when it cut off. But do you have it all stirred up? Let's look and see how well you did. Ooh, you're doing awesome. Should we show the camera how good it looks? Ooh, that looks pretty good. Now what do we need to do with it, Spencer?
Put the oven.
Put it in the oven, that's right.
Take it out.
Yep. So do we need to pour it in this pan? Yep. Yeah, Daddy do it or Spencer?
Me.
Here. How about you help me? Pour it in this pan. Let's do this.
Ew. I'm doing something.
You're doing something?
Yeah.
And so we're going to bake this at 350. The oven just beeped a couple minutes ago saying it's ready for... Oh, don't do that, Spencer. It's like 25 to 30 minutes. And we will be right back after it's done baking. Does that sound good? And so we'll see you right then. Okay, so when our pumpkin bars are done cooking and then they're cooled, what do we need to put on top of it? Frosting! So what's in the bowl, do you remember? Cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
And what do we need to add to the cream cheese? What's that? Butter? Can you put that in the bowl with the cream cheese?
Where's my pen?
Yeah, or pick it up and dump it. However you want to do it, buddy. Do you need some help? Here, how about like this? Bloop! And then we need to put in a... Yep, what's this? Vanilla?
Banana.
Vanilla. We'll
I'll
put
put in.
a teaspoon of vanilla in. Whoops. That was probably close. And then... Oh, it's all the way over there. 2 cups of powdered sugar.
It's like a cupcake.
It is like a cupcake. Let's put 1 in first and we'll mix it up a little. Okay, good. Put that in there. Awesome.
Now start.
You gonna try stirring it? Remember how to use this thing from last night? Okay. Remember 2 hands up there. Whoa! Was that weird? Okay, push the button. Wow. Oh, here. Hold on a second. Don't push it. We need to add a tablespoon of milk.
Can I?
Oh, good. Stir it up. Whoa!
My stomach.
Is that weird? Is that going crazy? Here.
I smushed it.
Good job, Smushy Boy. Does that look good? Did you want to try the frosting? Here, stick your finger in it and try it. Will that be good on our pumpkin bars? Okay. Well, now we'll see in a minute when the pumpkin bars are done cooked and done cooled and done everything. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, Spencer, our pumpkin bars is done, isn't it? Yay! And we let it cool. And we have our frosting. What do we need to do now? Put it on there. Go ahead. Use the spoon and scoop it onto there. Do you want Daddy to help you, or can you get it? I think you can do it. Ooh. Here, just shake it onto it. How's this look, Spencer? So yummy. You ready to try it? Okay. Here, give me your spoon. Put that off to the side. So here you go, Spencer. Try your pumpkin bars. Do you mean help you cut a bite? Oops. Here, try a bite of it. Try that big bite you just took. Do you need some help getting it on your fork? Or you can just put it in your mouth. So what do you think? Is that good stuff? Did you do a good job? Awesome! Do you like pumpkin bars now? Awesome! Okay, so what do we say?
Thanks for watching.
Yep, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Okay, Layla.
3 clicks.
She do ones on top.
1, 2. I want it like a football.
3,
I
good
want
job.
it like a football.
2,
Hey, I'm gonna kiss you, man.
1, 2.
Ah, that was a smoochy kiss.
Ooh, I get a 1.
Oh,
I hit it.
Can you make a blue ball?
2.
Should do the ones on top.
All the way in.